Breaking news: the world is dying due to the global warming from the release of methane gas. As the global population increases and the scale of the city expands, the discharge of food waste has increased alarmingly. Food waste has become a huge environmental problem in each country. Malaysians produce 38,000 tons of solid waste every day. From that amount, about 17,000 tons is food waste, of which an estimated 4,046 tons or 24% is edible food waste. Nearly 30% of fruits, vegetables, grains, meat, and packaged foods produced gets tossed out every year. As human beings, we need to take responsibility and take action to recover our beloved Earth for a better future and sustainability of life for the next generation.
Fortunately, we came up with a solution for this problem by creating Gomibako Gigye. Gomibako is from a Japanese word that means garbage can, while Gigye means machine in Korean. Gomibako Gigye or garbage can machine is a machine that could transform food waste into fertilizer and lipid. Our main objective is to reduce food waste in Malaysia by transforming it into fertilizer and lipid for the use of society. Other than that, we want to improve Malaysians' agriculture by promoting the use of organic fertilizer. Last but not least, we want to expand the use of second-hand lipid to produce products such as oil and soap. The applicability of this machine is for the use of the community since it could produce fertilizer and lipid which could be commercialized to residential areas, farmers, factories, and even to the industry. Did you know? Food waste can give us benefits as they can be converted into organic fertilizer that is much safer than using chemical fertilizer as they don't make a crust on the soil. Besides, they also improve water movement into the soil that will eventually add structure to the soil. Organics feed beneficial microbes, making the soil easier to work. As a result, more agricultural products could be obtained. Food waste like chicken, fat, meat, and fish contain carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Therefore, we could reuse those elements by turning it into lipid that consists of carbon and hydrogen. The lipid produced then can be used as raw material to produce oil and soap. Our Gomibako Gigye is a non-functioning prototype. The body is made from stainless steel as it is durable and strong. We also use the concept of a thermos, a flask with a double-walled container inside it. Air is removed from the space in between the walls, preventing heat from escaping the flask because it's surrounded by vacuum. Furthermore, the internal walls are silvered to reflect heat rays which try to escape. We also add protecting insulation to reduce dangerous surface temperatures. The blade is made from zinc and is used to cut the food scraps into smaller pieces. The strainer is made from iron net and is used to filter big food waste. Infrared or IR generator is used as a heating element. The particular reason we use the infrared technology is because it is highly energy efficient, less water consuming, and environmentally friendly. Not to forget, it can also be characterized by the homogeneity of heating, has high heat transfer rate, low heating time, low energy consumption, improved product quality, and food safety.
So basically, the food waste will be thrown into Gomibako Gigye. The blending process then will be occur. The blade will spin and blend the food waste into smaller pieces. Water is needed to blend the food waste easily. Therefore, the total surface area per volume of the food waste will be increased, hence making the next process become faster and untroubled. After being blended, the food waste will undergo filtration process. The food waste will be filtered 2 times to make sure the final product is just lipid at the bottom of the Gomibako Gigye. While doing the experiment, we use extraction process instead of filtration. In this case, we will save time to get the lipid. The methanol and chloroform must be mixed and poured into chocolate extractor. The next step will be shown in this video. blend the fish waste, we put the fish waste inside the
Cellulose.
timber, and then after that we go through the extraction process.
After undergo filtration, the remaining water at the bottom of Gomibako Gigye will be removed using boiling process. The heating element will be set at 100 degrees Celsius minimum to boil the water, then it will be evaporated. But while doing this experiment, we must use distillation process. Why? Because the solution, which is methanol and chloroform, is used, so we must separate the solution and lipid safely. After undergo all the process in Gomibako Gigye, we finally get our product, that is lipid.
Other than to produce lipid, we could also use Gomibako Gigye to produce fertilizer. Food waste such as fish, chicken, and meat will be blended. This is the result of the food waste after being dried under the sun.